Pluto was first discovered in 1930, and since that time has not completed a single orbit around the Sun. That is because a year on Pluto is 247 Earth years long. Pluto is very small, smaller in fact than the Earth's moon. Pluto has its own moons, 5 of them in total, and the largest, Charon, is 1/8 the mass of Pluto itself. Charon is so large, it does not actually orbit Pluto. Rather, Pluto and Charon orbit a point in space between the two, which is called a binary system. A day on Pluto is 6.4 Earth days long, and it's bright enough to read a book on the surface, if you can withstand the negative 229 degrees Celsius midday cold. Pluto rotates the opposite way that Earth does, meaning that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Also, curiously, it has an axial tilt of 120 degrees to its orbit, so it's laying on its side, just like Neptune. In 2006, Pluto was demoted from a planet to a dwarf planet and renamed 134340 Pluto.